it's me Karen. Welcome back to my channel, Simple Kitchen. For today's video, naisipan kong gumawa ng makeup tutorial. Anyways, napansin nyo na may sugat yung ilong ko. Kasi no isang araw, naghilamos ako ng muka. Tapos yung kuko ko nasagi sa ilong, kaya naging ganito. Dumugo siya nung una, tapos naging reddish na siya masyado. But anyways, actually, parang ayoko na talaga gumawa ng makeup tutorial kasi nga napapansin niyo tumataba ako. Tapos yung sa previous makeup tutorial na ginawa ko, sobrang liit pa ng katawan ko, yung mukha ko, maliit pa talaga. Tapos ngayon, lumobo na lumobo. But anyways, I just want to do a new video, kaya yun yung gagawin ko, makeup tutorial. So let's get started. So okay guys, para hindi magulo yung pagmi-makeup ko, kailangan ko maglagay ng headband para yung buhok ko matakpan siya. So gagamitin ko lang to, lagay ko sa ulo ko. Kasi nga pag nagme-makeup tayo na sagabal yung buhok, so kailangan naka-fix siya. So ganunin ko lang. So ayan, linis na siya.
Put your makeup on, get your nails done, curl your hair, run the extra mile, keep it slim so they like you. Do they like you? Get your sexy on, don't be shy girl, take it off. This is what you want to belong, so they like you. Do you like you? Well, you don't have to try so you don't have to give it all away. You just have to get up, get up, get up, get up. You don't have to change a single thing. You don't have to try. 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 Get your shopping on at the mall, max your credit cards, you don't have to choose, buy it all so they like you. Do they like you? Wait a second, why should you care what they think of you when you're all alone by yourself? Do you like you? Do you like you? You don't have to try so give it all away. You just have to get up, get up, get up, get up. You don't have to change a single thing. You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to bend until you break. You just have to get up, get up, get up, get up. You don't have to change a single thing. You don't have to try. 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 You don't have to try so hard. You don't have to give it all away. You just have to get up, get up, get up, get up. You don't have to change a single thing. You don't have to try. your makeup off, let your hair down, take a breath, look into the mirror at yourself. Don't you like you? 'Cause I like you. General Cloud is an old man now, but it feels like yesterday. He was on the front line, stranded on the beach, crawling to his best friend, floating in the sea. But he didn't make it, he still can't believe how arbitrary fate is. He says, there's gotta be a reason that I'm here on earth. Gotta be a reason for the dust and the dirt. The changing of the seasons never changed my hurt. So what's it worth, what's it worth? Worth another shot of whiskey and another sip of gin, another drop of poison that is slowly sinking in. If we're going down together, better take another hit. We won't be here forever, so let's make the best of it. She went down to her job in town with a sad song in her heart. 33 with a wasted dream to become a movie star. Living out a suitcase, serving at a bar, saving up some pennies, working after dark. Is she gonna make it? She still can't believe how arbitrary fate is. She says, there's gotta be a reason that I'm here on earth. Gotta be a reason for the dust and the dirt. The changing of the seasons never changed my hurt. So what's it worth, what's it worth? Worth another shot of whiskey and another sip of gin, another drop of poison that is slowly sinking in. If we're going down together, better take another hit. We won't be here forever, so let's make the best of it. There's gotta be a reason that I'm here on earth. Gotta be a reason for the dust and the dirt. The changing of the seasons never changed my hurt. So what's it worth, what's it worth? Worth another shot of whiskey and another sip of gin, another drop of poison that is slowly sinking in. If we're going down together, better take another hit. We won't be here forever, so let's make the best of it. Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing
Yeah. Baby, wag ka nang mag-alinlangan pa. Alam naman talaga na kailangan ka. Ang katulad mo ay matagal kong hinahanap at gusto kong makita, yeah. Gusto kong makita, isang dalagang Pilipina.
I'm finished with my makeup tutorial, and this is the final look. It's really refreshing. So just a little bit makeup. Don't put too much dark color like that if you want to be fresh and like you feel like you are blooming like that. So just do this makeup So I just put a lighter color in my eyeshadow and then reshape my eyebrow like that, and then everything is good. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I give you some tips on how to apply makeup, uh, the makeup that it makes you simple and fresh. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Simple Kitchen. Goodbye!